Good evening. Well, not evening, late afternoon. It's 3:36, it looks like, here in Hermitage, Tennessee. This is a request to my subscribers on my user-to-user channel. As you may or may not know, YouTube only shows the names of a person's YouTube subscribers if those people publicly show the number of subscribers on their channel. Unfortunately, my YouTube channel shows that I have 138 subscribers, and I'm satisfied with that. I'm not trying to get monetized or anything. The trouble is that when I look at the subscribers, I only have 76 of the 133 names. So those of you who subscribe to my channel but don't show your subscription figures to the public, if you would contact me at this email address, and I'm not even asking, all I want is the link to your YouTube channel so that I can go look at it and see what I want to subscribe to your channel or not. Now, if you've got a channel that interests me, but I can't know who you are because you don't reveal your numbers to the public, and quite frankly, I'm not interested in the number of subscribers you have. I just want to know, you're subscribing to my channel. I'd like to know if you're doing something that I can return the favor. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to subscribe to all of my subscribers' channels, because there's no sense in me subscribing to a channel if I'm not going to turn on the bell to receive notifications from it. It doesn't help you at all, and if you're not doing videos on something that I'm interested in, I'm probably not going to take the time to watch them. I mean, I'm more than happy to support the people that subscribe to that are members of my community. I do a daily thing where I upload links to their things, but like my personal time, I'm not going to subscribe to a beauty channel. I just, I mean, let's face it, that's it. But if you would, those of you who, feel your channel may be of interest to me, or, you just want to let me know who you are as a real person instead of just a numberless thing, on my channel, I would appreciate it. Just contact me to email. So now I am not putting that email into any links, so you have to be watching this video to actually see it. And that is about it. I'm going to stop the screen share, and I'm back, and now I'm going to stop the recording. And thank you for watching, to those of you who do.